What's good, gang? It's your boy GK. We signing in with another video right now. We gonna go ahead and put in this ECS tuning Dogbone mount insert. That's a mouthful right there. Pause. Is this guy right here? It goes in. It's supposed to stop wheel hop, make the car accelerate a little bit quicker for that 0 to 60 times, especially once you get some sticky tires popping. Anyways, let's jump over to the car. I already got it jacked up. We're gonna get underneath it and let's get busy. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take this bolt out right here. Should be a 21 millimeter, so let's get that done. All right, we're gonna take this one out of here now. And this one is a torque to yield, so we don't need this anymore. Now it's recommended to take these two transmission bolts out too. And that should allow you the free space to slide that up in there. And they should be 16 millimeters. So let's get started. Perfect. Perfect. Just gonna sit those over there because we're gonna reuse those. Awesome. So now that I've set these aside, we're gonna grab our piece and we're gonna lube it up and put it in here. All right, so now we have our mount insert here. And what we're gonna do is just take some grease from my little grease gun I have here. And this is just some regular grease that I would use for like the sway bars or anything like that. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand here. All right. And all I'm gonna do is just start rubbing it through here and applying it to this. And this is gonna help it slide in there much easier, supposedly. If you can, man, throw on some gloves. This junk could get dirty. All right, cool. Now we're just gonna take it back over to the car now. Now that we're back over to the car, I have my piece and we're gonna slide it up into here now. Just gonna work it in there. I brought a mallet just in case. Sitting all the way up in there. So now that that's up in there, we got to grab the washers that it came with. So it came with this little small washer and this larger washer attached to this torque to yield bolt. This smaller washer is going to sit up in here. Let me actually get you guys a bit closer. The smaller washer is going to sit up in here like so. It's to center it. And then the big washer with the torque to yield bolt gonna go straight through it. All right, so I pretty much put this in here, started it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these two ones in here now. The shorter one goes in the front and the longer one goes in the back. So all I like to do is snug up everything and then get my torque specs ready. All right, so these front two are gonna be 30 foot-pounds. I heard someone talk about torque specs once before and they said it takes about, you know, one ooga dooga or something like that. I don't know, it was the most funniest video I ever seen before. But anyways, 30 foot-pounds for those front two. All right, then the last thing we gotta bolt down is this guy right here. It's gonna be 74 foot-pounds. And then an additional 90-degree rotation. So, got my torque wrench here. Let's torque it down to 74 foot-pounds first. Let's just verify. Perfect, 74 foot-pounds. And then we gotta do another 90 degrees. I'll show you guys how I do the 90 degrees. All I do is get a marker that I can easily see with, and I'll draw a line on it. Coming off right here. And here. All right, see, I drew a line right here connecting to over here. Now if I needed to go 90 degrees, a 480 would be straight this way, 90 would be somewhere over here, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn it until that line is over here. A little more. It seems like this washer's turning a bit with it, but I do know that the line was here and now I'm moving it over to here. So all I'm doing is constantly just checking it a little more. So the line started over on this side and now it's over here. And there we go. 90-degree rotation on it. And just like that, gang, another mod is in the bag. You already know what it's looking like. Can't wait to take this thing for a spin. Quick, easy install. Make sure you torque those things down to spec, and hopefully I gave you some tips on it. I'm gonna make sure I put the Dogbone mount insert in the links below. I'm gonna make sure I put any of these tools and things that I use or comparable tools down in the links below as well. That does help the channel out if you use those. But anyways, it's your boy. We signing out with another one. Make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button down below. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace. Also, quick little sneak peek. Ooh, that's going on, Shorty Civic. Let's get busy.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.